outside. Yes, we're in a lockdown. However, we're given a chance to go outside for at least an hour. You get me, for your one exercise a day. Now, today, because the reason I have this pin here and this bowling ball is the fact that last month my bowling tournament was canceled and I was due to win. You get me? So what I'm going to do today is just to show you how good I am. I got one pin. I don't need 10. This is a strike, yeah, just to get one. I'm going to go all the way to the back, which is about 100 foot. The normal bowling lane is exactly 60 foot. So I'm going to do 100 with one pin outside. The surface looks flat, but it's not. It's a bit bumpy. But I'm going to try to get a strike on the pin there, yeah? So we're going to do this, folks. So stay with me, remember, and keep safe, yeah? Come on. That's the one, baby. That's the one. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. The power of Baryshnikov is yours, folks. Like I prove it to you right now. There's the pin, baby. There's the pin, right? There's the ball. 100 feet, baby. That's what I'm talking about. You get me? That's what I'm talking about. So, folks, like I said before, right? Take your time with anything that you do. If you cannot do this, don't worry. Play with the little games you have at home. Maybe little coins you want to toss around. When you want to get to this stage, you have to practice everything, yeah? So it's all about practice and what we do in ourselves and what we can find with this lockdown. You get me? You want me to do some press-ups? I'll do some press-ups if you want. You get me? But it's not going to help you, is it? It's not. Unless you yourself do it, yeah? So from me to you, listen, this is what it's all about. Do what you can, improvise on whatever it is that you need out there. Obviously, the game I was supposed to play the tournament last month, it was canceled. Obviously, I made my own bowling lane. You get me? That's what I'm talking about. So take care of yourself and each other, yeah? Bye-bye.